when you're reinstalling your brake shoes, all you got to do is line them up, which I do not have them lined up well. There we go. Alright, get them lined up pretty well. And then you want to slide them, cock them a little bit so they open up at the bottom. And then you slide them over the pivot point on the top and the bottom. And then you just want to smack them into place. You can use your hand, which might hurt. Push them down a little bit. Or grab a mallet, which is not working for me. There, that slid down a little better. Let's try and get the other one slid down a little better. Boy, this tutorial is not working out very well. Just get them on there. These springs are pretty strong. There we go. There we go. That's perfect. Right into place. Line them up. Line them up. See that? There we go. That looks right. Okay. As long as they're sitting down as far as they need to go, you're good to go. If those were new pads, you'd be in good shape. Have a great one. Subscribe, like, and share if you want to.